Okay, guys, welcome. Okay, guys, welcome back to another video. We are here with our project car, and today we're going to be doing some stuff to get it ready for paint.
Promise we haven't done anything yet.
No, we have not. Promise. We haven't started at all. Okay, now where's that blade gone to?
Ooh, I see it. Doesn't feel nice, hey? Because you did the same thing to me when I was looking for the Citroen keys.
Shut up.
So why do you have a blade in your hand?
Okay, so what we are going to do now is we've laid down... Yeah, if he's not careful. We have laid down tape over the stickers because we want to get these stickers remade again and put them back on once we've done painting. So we've laid tape over it so we can create a template and get the right size and measurements and everything to make it as OEM as possible.
Let's get cutting.
Let's get cutting. Face stickers. Okay, so we have done templates of the stickers that are on the car, so
We don't talk about that?
Yeah, we'll gloss over that, but the important one is that one, and we have this one and that one. That's for the rear door, but they can just make that one long and we'll cut it in the middle ourselves. So now we are gonna take the stickers off.
I believed in you. I thought you would have done it.
Are you still shooting?
Yes.
Good. This one is Hossie's fault.
How's it my fault?
Because I just said so.
I don't know what he's struggling with, guys. I'm able to just, like, look at this. With one hand even.
It's a lot stickier here.
Who decided it was a good idea to give this man a sharp object? Look at how much paint he's cut.
I didn't do anything.
Okay. Missing paint, missing paint, missing paint, missing brain cells.
That's rude. That's really rude. I don't like this guy.
Yeah, that's what you did when you were doing the sound install on my car.
If you look in there, I don't have a motor. But if you go find my motor, you know what's on it. An alternator belt.
Ah, okay, okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm not sure okay. There's a technique, brother.
Sorry, I don't use hair dryers.
Maybe you should. You'd know what you're doing.
I've got no hair to use hair dryers, bro. Did you have to do that?
I did. So we definitely didn't forget that there's a sticker down here that we need to make a template for. Which Tiago is busy getting started with now. Yeah, I mean, you saw the process of making it. Did they see the process of making it on the other one?
I don't know. I can't remember. Did you? I haven't watched the video yet. I don't know.
Fun guy.
I know. I try really hard.
But anyway, yeah. Simple process. Basically, just take some masking tape over it, and then effectively, I think the font and stuff are not that difficult to get. What we really need is the size. So we're not gonna like draw out the 16 valve sport. We're just gonna get a general size indication, peel the masking tape off, put it on our template box, and send it over to the printers. Correct?
I don't know. You seem to know more than what I do.
Isn't that what we're doing? That's the only thing that makes sense.
I don't know. I said it might be, it might not be. We'll see.
So what are you going to cut out with the razor the whole 16 drops?
No. I'm going to make a straight line down there, a straight line across there, and a straight line up. So making a box essentially up to the beading. So we're going to transfer this onto cardboard, cut it out. So when you come back and you place a sticker, we're going to put that template on here. The sticker will go back where it should be. Okay guys, so now that all the beadings are off, as you can see, or can't see, because he's a useless cameraman.
Because I have wire in my shirt, in my jacket somehow. What am I looking at? What?
Okay guys, so now that all the beadings are off, as you can see over there, and all the stickers are off, as you can see, well, not see over there. Now we're just going to go around the car and mark any dents or whatever, so we can sort it out now.
Yeah, mark all the scratches that Tiago made with the...
Like over there, there's a problem. There's a dent over there.
We're just trying to find all the things that need to be surfaced. Start by remembering all the things that you did to the car. So all the dents that you made, bumping into things, all the dents that you made.
No, but I'm a perfect driver. There's none of those.
Okay.
Most of them would be on the bumpers, which, as you can see.
So stop by marking the bumpers. Now this is going to take a bit because we need to... I think I'm going to use my phone to... There's another one here. I don't know if you see it.
Yeah, small one over there.
Yeah. I think I'm going to take my phone and use a light so that we can see the way that the light moves, because it's actually hard to see. Yeah, but effectively we're doing a lot of that.
Yes, I have. Hi guys, we are trying something new here. The audio quality was a bit cucked, so we'll be doing some voiceovers to patch things up. Let us know what you think about the style of content. This is where Khosi says hello.
Yes, hello.
So what we are doing here is grinding down the paint where the dent is, so the body filler can stick lacquer.
It also gives us an opportunity to see if the car had any filler on it that we may need to strip.
Oh look, another dent. Let's do that again.
Once the dent has been ground down, you want to take a coarse sandpaper to it to chip away at the rough edges.
You want to do this until you feel a smooth transition between the metal and the paint. Over there, you can see that orange ring over there. So that was body filler. We found some old body filler, so we need to sand it back until the old body filler is gone.
If you do this, you run a risk of the new layer of body filler not attaching correctly, causing cracks and delamination.
On a small dent, you can just sand it by hand. No need to bring out the big boy tools.
Remember to clean the area when you're done.
Or you can mix it for a filler.
So you want me to do this one? Let's do some body filling.
Clarence, Tiggs is about to finish your body filler. Just dump the whole bucket of body filler on. But you're gonna mix it.
I was going to, but he said not to because
It's almost finished. So it gets dry.
it gets dry and it's more difficult to mix it. So he's gonna mix it for me,
Then you're gonna put it on the car.
and then I'm gonna paste it. He's doing the copy, I'm doing the paste. I think I've done a mess with it. Like that. Oh, just. Okay. That's bad.
One of the first things that Bennett said was don't put it on the paint.
And I've done just.
And you've done putting on the paint.
Okay. And this part?
Look at you, brother. Huh? Now you just take it off where you put it.
It's going hard now.
Patience, brother.
Is that fine? No, it's fine. Don't lie. It's bad. Say it.
Compared to
Show the art. Show me. Show them. Now we need to find a dent for Pussy to do so I can laugh at him because he's laughing.
Tiego's one, the professional one.
You know what? It's actually a lot harder than it looks. And I'd like to see you do better.
I'm not gonna get to do better because all the dents have to be pulled in from the inside, pulled out from the inside.
Give me a hammer. I've put a new dent in this. You feel how rough that is?
No pressure.
You feel how rough it is there? Yeah, well, it's going to be slippery smooth by the time I'm done with it.
Buttery smooth. He's doing it for the culture, brother. Shop now, stamsouthafrica.com.
So this one, I don't want to go off the paint. Ne? I want to keep it on there.
If you guys ever see this car at a show, guys, on the passenger side fender on the top,
Don't look there.
just put your,
Look everywhere.
just put your hand
No,
over it
don't.
and you look at it and you see a couple of bumps. See, but yours is showing a far more metal.
It feels like you will fail.
I failed.
I was about to say, yours is showing so much more metal than that one, brother.
Yeah. Okay, so I failed, guys. So, guys, turns out I suck doing that. I failed. That's a fail.
This money. Look at all this metal. Smooth metal.
Bro,
Smooth metal.
I used to paint Hot Wheels when I was a kid.
Yeah.
My man, that was paint. That was ready. Back then, ready for paint.
Yeah.
But it turns out when you move up to the bigger scale of Hot Wheels, it turns out it's not the same.
How much we cut? But I wish we had 4D, bro. This feels so that you can feel this.
Feel a vision. Somebody's fixing my whoopsies.
It's all theory, you know what I mean? Oof, oof. Smooth transitions, brother.
When you blow on it.
So that you can feel it. That's nice. I like that. I like that. But now, see, now your failure is in my way. Damn! Your failure is in my way.
Sounds like a deep one.
Still feels a lot nicer than that. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. How's that? Still need to do more. On the top. That's not exactly what he said, brother.
You must tell him it.
Nice.
Call me the paint whisperer. I'm kidding, Shem. Oh, really? We'll see in the comments. So here we've just finished sanding the car, going down to the finer grit sandpaper until it's smooth and ready for primer.
So guys, that is the end of the video. Next time we come back to our project, we'll be laying on some primer. Until next time, like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our progress on this conquest. Bye, have a great time.